Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I am here with a Society 6 unboxing and review. So I have 3 items to review and unbox and look at and tell you guys about them. If you have not already watched my Society 6 videos, I've done how to set up a new account and how to upload your first products. So I think I ordered something last time and I unboxed it and reviewed it as well, like a notebook or something like that, and a t-shirt, I believe. So make sure you go to YouTube, put in Society 6, and then type in my first name. But make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and so you can be notified every time that I release a new video. So I'm going to get into some of the details. I ordered all 3 products on the same day, on March 24th, okay? So I ordered a cutting board, which was $27. I ordered a zipper pouch, which was $16.99. And I ordered a mini art print, which was $15. So again, all items were ordered on the same day on March 24th. The art print in the pouch arrived on March 30th. And the cutting board arrived on April 13th. So the cutting board took the longest to arrive, but the art print, it was like a few days, maybe a week. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get into it. I've kind of cut everything to open for myself before I go ahead and start opening, trying to mark out my address. So this came from Santa Monica, California. This is the pouch that I got, and it just has the Society 6 logo on the front. I cut it on the side, and I'm just going to go ahead and, I believe this is the pouch. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take the pouch out. So that's all that was in the bag, and let me look at the specs. So it is a carry-all pouch. It is a 6" by 5. And this is the design that I created. So I drew this and I put the purple, my favorite color, on here. And this is repeated on both sides. So it has the gold zipper with the black here. It has Society 6 little tab on the side. The quality looks really good. On the inside, there's this big tag here that is super long, but it talks about dry cleaning. It's 100% polyester. The inside is black. Do that for you guys. The inside is black. Love the lining. Looks like you can swipe some stuff off. I'll probably end up cutting this tag out just because it's enormous for no reason, but really good quality. The zipper pull also says Society 6 on it, if you guys can see that. Oh, ignore my nails, they look horrible. And again, Society 6 here. So the quality of this is really good. Super cute little pouch that I could probably put something in my purse and throw it in there, and it'd be fine. So the only thing that I would do is next time I'll make sure that my design is not as close to this zipper line. Other than that, it looks really good and I love it. Oh, it's kind of, this is me. So that is the zipper pouch. Again, the zipper pouch was, in total, was $19.73, but it cost $16.99. But that's what, like, I believe with shipping. So the next thing I believe is the art print, the mini art print. And it came, again, it says Santa Monica, has Society 6 on there. It came in this folder. It has this little thing here. And let me get it out. Okay. Oh, I'm like, what is that? So I'm just making sure I got everything out of there. And this is what it came in. So it came with this. It says Society 6, design your everyday with art you love. And on the back it says thank you and get $5 off your next purchase here. Okay, so that's probably an art print from someone on Society 6. So I'm believing the art print is in here. Oh, yeah, it fell a little bit. And this is the art print. So this was, I believe I did navy blue. Let me look at sorry y'all. Let me look. So this was navy blue on the picture. This is a mini art print with stands. So the background of this picture is navy blue is what I'm looking at. And the color came out real dark. It has almost like this velvety thick thick thing, but I'm assuming this sits like this here, or however it's supposed to sit. Probably that way, but it's supposed to be navy blue, and that is clearly like a dark velvety purple. The lines in the hair, I don't know what color it is supposed to be, but the gold looks fine, the eyes look fine. This is again a 3x4 mini art print with stand. Total was $16.02 and it cost $15. $16.02 was with the shipping. So that is the mini art print. So you might want to check out like the color, like do they have like a little color differentiation here? And the cutting board. Let's see. Came in a box like this. You open it up. So I want y'all to experience this with me. It has 4 little different things, and then it has the cutting board in it. So now I'm gonna move that so you guys can see. This is what the cutting board comes in. The plastic is all around. And now I'm gonna open it here real quick. So right on top, we have something that says the cutting board. It says backside prep, art side display. It says, hooray, your kitchen just got an upgrade. This dual function cutting board, display board is perfect for the ultimate party connoisseur. So the art isn't functional. So you don't cut on that side. Flip it over on to the design side when you're done and hang it up in your kitchen. So that's this, that came with it. It came with the order receipt, cutting board. The cutting board does not tell me the size, but it is round. And the colors look pretty much like what I put on there. It looks really good. The navy almost looks black though. So that's the only thing. I think I did like a dark blue. And I can see glimpse of the blue. You might can see it on here. But it almost looks black. But the cutting board is a nice size. And this is the prep size that you would prep on to cut your food. So I love being able to add something to my kitchen here. This is really nice. You can hang it on your wall. And then when you're ready to prep your food, you can go ahead, turn it around and prep your food on this side. So this is a great piece to add to your home. It just says Smith Fam on there. And it's kind of like some of the colors that are already in my kitchen, in my living room. So you guys saw the cutting board, the art print, and the pouch. So I would say the only thing that really came true to color was the pouch. The colors on this were definitely true. This is definitely not a navy blue background. So I'm a little bit disappointed in that. And then that the navy is not as bright or rich as I thought. The fact that it almost looks like a blue. So the quality is really good. It's just that color thing. So that's something that I'll work on my own, and maybe it's my color coding. So I might need to check Society 6 color coding so I can match up and make sure I either do my colors lighter so I can get the color that I'm actually going for, because there's no need for me to do it darker because it already came out darker. So if that makes sense to you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review of Society 6. Make sure you check out all of my other Society 6 videos. Let me know if you've shopped on Society 6. Have you set up your Society 6 print on demand shop? Any questions about Society 6, let me know down in the description box. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.